Thank you, Secretary Kennedy. We appreciate your appearance here today. To win the support of skeptical senators during your confirmation hearings, you claimed, and I'm quoting here, "I support vaccines. I support the childhood vaccine schedule." I was skeptical about those comments because prior to your nomination, you espoused numerous disproven theories that childhood vaccines, including the measles vaccines, were linked to autism, death, and other adverse effects. Not surprisingly, we were right to be skeptical of your promise to support the childhood vaccine schedule because at your direction, the CDC removed its universal vaccine recommendations for children, covering 7 immunizations, including things like flu, COVID, hepatitis A, hepatitis V, and rotavirus. On Fox News last year, you stated, and I'm quoting you again here, "There are adverse effects from the vaccine. It does cause deaths every year. It causes all the illnesses that measles itself causes." A deadly measles outbreak in Texas killed an unvaccinated 6-year-old, the first such death in a decade. So a simple yes or no question. It's not that we don't want to let you answer, it's that we all have limited time, and you have plenty of time to answer questions, and you had plenty of time to give testimony at the beginning. So a simple yes or no answer will do here. Do you agree with the majority of doctors that the measles vaccine could have saved that child's life in Texas?
It's possible, certainly.
Okay, thank you. I want to look at some very important data. In 2024, under the Biden administration, which apparently seems to be responsible for every ill in the world, in 2024, under the Biden administration, there were 258 cases of measles. And in 2025, under your leadership at HHS, it ballooned to over 2,000. That's a 675% increase. And we are now on track to surpass that this year with over 1,600 confirmed cases in just 3.5 months. If we project those numbers out for all of 2026, we can expect a whopping 6,400 cases of measles. That's a 2,380% increase in a preventable disease. CDC data also shows that about 80% of children who died from flu this season were not vaccinated. The anti-vaccine rhetoric you ran on and the anti-vaccine actions you have taken over the last year clearly correlates with the dramatic increases, again, in preventable diseases. As a mother, this horrifies me. Stopping the spread of communicable diseases is one of HHS's primary responsibilities, and a strong public health messaging campaign on the importance of vaccines could have stopped this surge of measles cases as it had in past outbreaks. But I was appalled to learn that the CDC suspended public health messaging on vaccines last February. It ended a successful flu vaccine campaign as well. My question is, did President Trump approve your decision to end CDC's pro-vaccine public messaging campaign?
You've got a lot of misinformation there, first of all.
No, I'm asking you a question. I
Let me
appreciate
respond to the
misstatements
misstatements that you've made.
No, you have other opportunities. I have limited time.
I only have,
Please
you're
answer my
the
question.
only opportunity I have
Did
to
President Trump
respond.
approve your decision to end CDC's pro-vaccine public messaging campaign?
Allow me to respond to a lot of the misinformation.
No,
that
answer
you
my
just-
question, please, sir. I have limited time.
There's a global measles epidemic. We've done better in preventing
There's
it than any country in the world.
There is no country that has seen a bigger percentage increase.
That's not
than
true.
this.
Mexico has 3 times our measles, and they have 1/8 of our
Did President Trump
population.
approve your decision to end the CDC's pro-vaccine public messaging
Canada
campaign?
has double
Was
the
that a
measles, and
decision
they
that
have
was made
1/3
by
of
Trump?
1/8 of our
Did
population.
he approve that?
We've
And
done better at preventing measles than any country in the
Did
world.
President Trump approve your decision to end the CDC's pro-vaccine public messaging campaign?
We've done better at preventing
That's
measles.
not answering my question,
and ending
sir.
the epidemic
That is
than
not
any
answering my
country
question. And I
in the
think you don't
world.
want to answer the question because I think you know
I want to
that
respond to
you are
your
making
misinformation.
terrible decisions that impact very, very real lives, especially the lives of children. Now, one thing that I find incredible is that you suspended this pro-vaccine messaging campaign, but somehow you're spending taxpayer dollars to drink milk shirtless in a hot tub with Kid Rock. And somehow you think that's a better public health message
Your time has
than
expired
informing
by a
the
minute.
public about the importance of vaccines?
Gentlelady's
Really?
time has expired.
Really? I yield back.